Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to record Microsoft Teams meetings using your smartphone, laptop or any types of device. It's very simple tips and tricks. You can record the entire team. How to do it? We will see detailed demonstration. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply first of all, we need to open here Teams. So this is my Teams, and after that I just simply randomly call one of my colleagues, and then we can see how to record the screen. Simply join the meeting, and after that here the three dot is coming. You just simply click here and look at this here, select the start recording, and now recording is a start. Even the second is also going on. So this is a simple process to start recording. If you want stop, again click three dot, stop the recording, and your recording is a store in your team meetings. After that you can anytime click and watch the entire video and noted point. It's easy. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.